there goes our ship. It's already docked and waiting for us. We can't wait to get on board. First things first, make sure you print your boarding pass. If you do not print it and have the actual paper in hand, that would cause additional delays. I know we are living in a technological world where everything should be digital, and you would think that you can show your phone and be granted access. It's just best to print your boarding pass, because they're going to ask you to print it out there and you're going to be in this long line trying to get your boarding pass. So print it and have it with you guys. So as you can see, this is the Miami port. That ship is huge. One of the cool things I like with this port is the parking garage is literally right across the street from the terminal. So it just allows easier access, and you just get out the car, get on the ship. Or even if you're getting dropped off, it's like right there. So here we are heading to the parking garage to get our car parked. And I believe we've spent like $100 for parking, between $100 to $150. And if you remember last year, we went on the Horizon. It was a lot less people because it was a smaller ship. This is one of the elite ships. It's a lot larger. So of course there's a lot more people in the terminal waiting. So the line was moving pretty quickly, but it was a lot more people. So I was a bit surprised. Look at that. I got there early. So my boarding pass did say 1 o'clock. So I got there on time. And just make sure you stick to your boarding time, because if you're late, you're going to have to go into another line that's a bit longer. So you want to make sure that you follow your boarding pass. Also, just make sure you're safe, because they do have dogs that are checking your bags. So don't do anything reckless. Follow the Carnival guidelines for security and safety check, just as if you were boarding a plane. They do have customs to get everything checked. And in this area, you do have the option to take photos. So they have like a little photo thing set up. We didn't take any pictures. We were just ready to get on the ship. So we are going across the gangway to get on the ship. And we're heading on in. And we're in. And first thing we're gonna do is get to our muster station, then food. And there is muster station A6. So we're gonna go get our muster drill down, and then we can get it. So every time we get on the ship, we make sure we complete our muster drills. You make sure you do your muster drills, guys. If you do not complete it, the ship will not depart, and you will hold up the other passengers. So make sure you get your muster drills completed. After that, we head on to our room. We actually have them take our suitcases, and they'll bring them to the room, just like how you see them in the hallway here. They actually bring your suitcases and leave them outside the door. They don't normally do this until around 1 p.m. And then I tend to carry a backpack, my husband and I. This way we have our necessities just in case there's any delays with the luggage or anything like that. So we want to make sure that we have our important items there. But the suitcases, you can just have them bring it for you.
It's a joy to be sharing this cruise with you this week. I'll be back a little later with our...
So we ended up staying in the Havana Suite. I really liked it. I'm actually inserting a clip from like 3 days later because I was too tired to do the tour. So this is 3 days later tour. So that's the bathroom to the right, and then to the left you have 2 separate closets. Of course, we had already unpacked stuff and put them in the closet already. So things were all hung up, and we sure made ourselves feel like we're at home, because this was a very long cruise. So this was actually 8 days. Yeah, it was an 8-day cruise. This couch turns into a bed, and we've been in here for days now. And here go my collection. I messed up the other one, but it was actually 3. So there go my collection of animals. And look at that. I love antique cars, so this was so perfect. So it has a look at the license plate. It says Cuba on it. How cool. And then you have these little lights right here. Just push them in, push them out, and then these are just press to turn the lights on. And of course you have your TV, and there's a connecting door. Just connect to another room, so if you have 2 staterooms, there'll be a connecting door right there. And of course you have under the bed, that's for storage, so it's really high, so you can fit your suitcase under there. My suitcase is currently under there. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you from this side. Oh, and I forgot to show you. So the charger is a regular USB charger. So it has to be the white one. So if you have this type right here, you have to bring your converter because it only takes the regular USB. If not, you have to come over here on the table. It does have multiple outlets. See, it does have multiple outlets. Another USB right there too, and then you can put it in here. See, but the plugs are over here. And I have my multi-purpose charger there. All right, let me take you outside. So this is a balcony, the Havana Suite. So look at that. So we have a swing and a day bed and a chair. You can tell they came and washed the patio. But look, we're in Aruba right now. So with the Havana Suite, you can see there's no separation. So there's separation here, but once you come out on this side, there's no separation. So you can see everybody down that way and that way. But look at the water, guys. Welcome to Aruba. Look at that. Look at that. So we do get a beautiful view. Look at me. So I actually was in the beach. I actually was in the water. This is me. So we just came back. I'm like, oh, let me go ahead and jump in the shower right now. I'm getting ready to head back to the island, so we're just gonna get changed and head back. But look at the TV, bed. This is actually a king size bed. It's actually 2 beds together, and I hate when I do that, but it's 2 beds together. And of course you have a safe in there as well, and that's the bathroom. I'll show you the bathroom in a minute. And over here you have the bathroom. Of course, it's a little bigger than the Horizon. Got a toilet, storage in the bottom, mirror. You got your shower. Nothing extra fancy. Overhead shower. You can remove this. If you're a girl, you know, you can take it off so your hair don't get wet. Shampoo and body wash. Hot, cold situation. Big enough to fit one. And we have shelf. We already just have stuff stored up there already, but pretty small. So that is the bathroom. All right, so that was the room tour. We're going back to our onboarding day. So that I jumped ahead a bit there just to show you the room tour. And this was our first time riding the elevator. We wanted to see what it was like. It was pretty cool because I saw it was a transparent glass. I'm like, oh, that's different. So I wanted to go in there and see what it's like. I really dislike riding the elevators because it's always so packed. So we did spend most of our cruise voyage taking the stairs. All right, so you know where we're heading right now. Guy's Burger Joint. That got to be the first stop. Guy's Burger Joint. And it was a bit crowded. For guys burger, I think that's a tradition for everyone. For day one, embarkation day, they have to get burgers. So there's, even during the cruise, there's a bit of a line, so if you go at certain times, they have to know when to go. First stop, guys burger. Got double meat. First meal of the day. All right, next up is the SailAway party.
Yes! Celebration family, welcome on board. Now, can I ask, how many of you have cruised before? Welcome back. And who's on their very first cruise? And celebration, make some noise. Turn it up, turn it up. This team come from all around. And fly! Everybody's back. And wave. Back. And wave. Back. And wave.
So you can choose to participate in the SailAway party, or you can watch it. But pretty much what we are doing is celebrating leaving the port. So here we are pulling away from the port. Goodbye, Miami. We are going to have a jolly good time on the ocean for the next week. So I'm excited, and it's good to take a break. Like my husband and I, we work very hard, so a break is needed. This is more like a vacation because we don't have the kids with us. And I think the next cruise we do, we're actually going to bring the kids. So it's going to be like a family cruise for the next one. So, but this one, just us, vacation.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
So we were able to catch rehearsals going on. We were able to catch a lot of empty restaurants. Look at this is the big chicken. You can get like chicken sandwich and chicken strips. So this was empty. Everyone, I guess, they were so tired they went in to crash after the SailAway party. And the SailAway party was actually still going. I think people were just really tired. And once you start pulling away from the port, make sure you put your phone on Wi-Fi. Go on the Carnival ship Wi-Fi. If you haven't paid for the package, you won't have internet. We actually have internet with AT&T. They allow you to use internet $10 per day, and it's almost as if you're using it. You get pretty much the same plan that you have on land. However, if you're on the water, that's not covered. So make sure you call your cell phone provider first before you try using your phone while you're away and see what the rates are. We were to get some buffet. We jumped in. We didn't go to the dining hall, so we just chose to go with the buffet the first night. The food was pretty good. It's not 5-star good, but it's buffet good. So there's a lot of good choices there that we were able to get. I think the first day we just spent it celebrating and doing a SailAway party and eating. So the first few days we did have a lot to eat. Because all the food, I have dessert, I have salad, I have food. So a lot to eat there. And you're going to find that you run into that a lot, is that you have a lot of food. And I forgot the times, but they also have a list of times of what restaurants are open. So make sure you have the Carnival Hub download it to your phone as well, because this will tell you what restaurants are open, what's happening that day, what activities you can do. And it is also listed near the elevator and the stairs, the directory, showing you what's happening each day. So have fun. Meal time. Look at our balcony at night. The ocean over there. And this is a gate. You can open the gate and go closer to the ocean. Got a little swing. And you can't even see him. Turn the flash on. See? What was over there?
I thought like people could walk by right there, but they can't walk by right there.
You can only access this from the rooms.
Yeah, or you can like it's an exit door up there.
You can scan your card.
But only the Havana people. Yeah, it ain't for regular ship folk. And then if you go all the way up that way, they got it's like a little area in the front that's down, but you can't get there from in the front, but it's on the next floor down. It's like a little outside area.
With a pool?
Sitting, drinking. I ain't see the pool.
Wow, today was a long day. We are going to unwind and relax and enjoy the rest of the evening together. So far, I've showed you the room tour as well as the SailAway party and some little tips. Tomorrow will be day 2. So today was day 1, embarkation day. So I'm going to upload the next video for tomorrow, day 2, and I'll see you in that video. Bye.